Yeah, hi. My name is Venkat and that's my partner Gautam. So today I am walking the 67th Pride in India and my partner is second Pride. So we are in Chennai for our work and Pride I feel still it's a protest for a lot of us where there are a lot of positive milestones, yes, but in terms of a lot of judgments which are passed by the honorable government, honorable courts, but when it comes to the real-time implementations we still backlog a lot. So yes, it's a form of protest and demand for me where you could see my poster where it says we demand. I'm asking the government for the legal marriage rights where certain rights, if they are implemented, it really helps the community and helps us as a couple to inherit a lot of other following rights and all. So yeah, it's a protest for me. It's again a celebration. So wishing all of you a very happy Pride and good to see a lot of number of people increasing day by day in Chennai with a lot of allies supporting. So it's really wonderful to see the beautiful people and yeah, let's walk with Pride and celebrate Pride each and every day, not only the particular month of June. Yes.
What are the changes you are expecting from society regarding LGBTQ?
I think in terms of the changes, there's a lot. Again, I think there's a lot of taboo stigma, but still there. And I think these all comes when we don't have an open conversation. A lot of judgments really play. When it comes to the policy frameworks, they also play a very important role. Since those are not implemented somewhere or the other, there's a lot of stigma which is still persisting in the society, and a lot of discrimination other community people have to face in the daily lives. When it comes to the education work, healthcare, fooding, a lot of things which the community has not been entitled to in many other ways. They have been discriminated. So I demand all these rights from our government, and I hope that our government sort of hears us, and we are not a minuscule community. We are increasing day by day. We are a major community, but due to a lot of stigma, many people are not able to come out.
What are some go-throughs you are faced regarding your...
See, in terms of, that's what I said. There are a lot of judgments which are passed. If I would see the recent, there was a judgment by the Madras High Court. So there are a lot in the past, but when it comes to the implementation, there are a lot. I think it would be a very small time to converse, but yeah, there are a lot from many things which we have to go and work around. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.